Okay, good morning, folks. Big Jim here again. This is the country boy, and today we're going to make Easter baskets for brunch or breakfast. And you're going to need some of these. It says ham slices on my package, but it's pretty much Canadian bacon. And if you don't find this, or you're frugal shopping, you can use a thicker cut of ham lunch meat, like a pre-packaged version. And then we're going to use some bacon. But what you need is thick cut bacon. And I have this one. And then if you have a local butcher that does their bacon with their own smoked stuff, it's usually cut thicker too, like this. And a little drier even, like they re-smoke the bacon like 3 times or something. And we're going to use this today. But you can use the other one if that's all you can find. Now this is another bacon, which I would not recommend. It's good frying, cooking breakfast bacon. It's hardwood smoked, but you can see it has thin slices, and it's cut irregular. So this isn't going to work for us. So we're going to save this for something else later. And I think we're going to try this one today and see how it works, because this is what most of you are going to be able to get your hands on, as a thick cut bacon from a supermarket. And I am in no way promoting this brand or this supermarket. It's just what I have today. So what we're going to do, we got a Makes Easy Cleanup cookie sheet covered in foil. Makes it a little more sanitary too. You know, you can't never get them sheets clean. We're going to lay bacon on here. Nice flat strips. Okay. You're going to have an oven preheated to 350 for convection, and 375 for a conventional regular oven. Now my muffin pan holds 12, so I'm going to try to get 6 on a sheet. That's why I'm rearranging here. And if you push them closer together, it should be no problem. There's well over 12 slices in a pound of thick cut bacon. Okay, so that's one. And just for the record, my package had 14 slices. So we're going to go ahead and shove these in the oven. Okay, my bacon's out. It's been 17 minutes. And you're going to leave your oven on. Here's what you're looking for. Bacon. It's not totally done because it's going to get cooked longer. But if you set it down like so, with the ends together at the bottom, it'll support a loop. See how it can support a loop? You could go a little bit longer, but you don't want it crisp because you're going to curl these around. It's going to be the handle to our baskets. The one on the outside of my tray is a little more done, but if you look, it's still flexible. You can even kink it and it won't break. So now we're going to set this aside so we don't scorch our fingerprints off while we're doing this, and let this cool. And we're going to need a muffin pan. So the first thing is you want to get one of these out. You want to spray it with some kind of cooking spray. I used coconut cooking spray. As your bacon cools, it even gets stiffer, see? Now what we're going to do is we're going to set this bacon in here like this. Can you see that if I tip the pan up? We're going to take a piece of ham and shove it through here like so. And we're going to make a cup in the bottom of the muffin pan, and then we're going to take an egg and we're carefully going to crack that egg under the bacon into the ham. Okay, let's do some more. Now, before you try it, these handles are for eating and garnish. They're not going to lift this out of the pan for you. Alright? So don't try to grab it by the bacon and lift it out of the pan. It isn't going to work. So again, you take the ends of the bacon, you put it in, put the ham through it, Canadian bacon, press it down like a cup. I would recommend, if you can find them in your stores, buying small eggs would work better. I'm using large and they kind of overfill them. I definitely would use small eggs. My chickens, though, I get my eggs from my chickens, and they're about large size. Some are maybe extra large, and that's all I got to work with. So that's how you do that. Let's see when I get the pan full. So there we go. We got our oven, convection oven, 350. You're going to want to use probably 350 on your regular oven. And I'm going to put these in, and I'll let you know for how long when I get them out. Out of the oven. Now, we knew the bacon was going to fall. What we want to do is just guide them up while they're hot, if you can, and they get stiffer as they cool. So there you have it. Yolk's still a little soft. You could go a little bit longer if you wanted. But I likey. He looks pretty good. So there we have the finished product. It's your Easter basket breakfast. About 15 minutes, 400 degrees.